Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here, coming at you with a little bit of a different video, something I've never tried before. I got a Tumbler Rotator on Amazon a few months ago. Never tried it, don't know how it works or if it's even a good one. I think I did my research and found ones with good reviews. If I like it, I'll, let you guys know absolutely, and we can test it out in this video. I'm pretty sure I already put it together a little backwards, but I think it's okay. I'm using a stainless steel tumbler that I got from Michael's also a few months ago, and I spray painted it with a black matte finish. I'm following a tutorial from Miss Kiss Creations, and so I'll put that in the description. You can check it out. I'm sure she'll have done a way better job than me because I've never done this before. And what we're going to do is paint this tumbler with epoxy and alcohol inks. The colors I'm using today are the Brea Reese Lake Blue, Pinata Baja Blue, and Tim Holtz. This is Stream. So they're all blues. And then I'm going to use some Pinata White. I'm using Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up my epoxy, and then we'll get started. Alright, so I've got my epoxy all mixed up here. I guess we're going to just give it a go. I've never done this before, so. Alright, it is spinning. I'm sure there are different cup sizes that may or may not fit more on the foam. I don't really know. So in her video, she put quite a bit of epoxy on here. Never done this before, so it's going to be rather awkward. Okay. I did put a little bit of tape on the inside. I'm not sure if that will really make any difference, but I did do that just in case. And then also, before spray painting this, I cleaned it with alcohol so that it was nice and good. Definitely interesting trying this for the first time. Probably should have tried it by myself without a video first, but I like to also show you guys my experience. So in case you guys haven't tried this either, hopefully we can both see that it's not too hard and we had nothing to be afraid of this whole time. All right, now in terms of the amount of epoxy here, she used 20 milliliters. I don't have any cups that have milliliters on them, at least not that small. I have like big measuring cups. So I tried to just use as close to my best guess on there as possible. And I'm going to try to put, she put like a nice thick layer on there. So that's what I'm trying to do too. Get a little bit more on here. Obviously you don't want to use so much that it just runs off the cup, because that's just a waste of epoxy. And just a reminder once again, check the description for all the materials. Okay, so it's now fully covered with epoxy, and I'm going to get in here with the colors. My inclination right now is to torch it, but I didn't see her torch it, so I think the spinner just gets rid of air bubbles by itself. We'll find out, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to start dripping the colors on here. Now you're not going to see them very well because the cup is black. And I'm just kind of following what she did as best as I can. And these are the colors my friend Linda wanted, well, more or less. Okay. I don't have the exact colors as shown in the original video. So, just kind of putting these all over. It's really hard to see. I feel like that's good. It's also a little hard because I'm really not sure what's too much. But if anything, I could always put a clean, a layer of just the clear epoxy over it afterwards. So at this point, she turned off her turner and took the arm off. I'm going to attempt to do that. All right, that wasn't as difficult as I imagined. Okay, so now I'm getting in here with the Pinata White, and this is where the color is going to really start to show, at least in theory. That's how it looked in the video. I hope I put enough color in here. And she said there's no rhyme or reason, just kind of wherever you want. And kind of turn it a bit as you're doing that. You can go up and down. Just kind of get that moved around. Linda, if you're watching this, I'm doing my best. I hope you like it. Right now it just looks like a bunch of white splotches. So I really hope that once you put it back on the turner, it'll come out looking a bit better. We shall see. All right, I'm just kind of going up and down a little bit here. I feel like I don't want to do too much. Just a couple more. Okay. Good. So at this stage, I'm going to put it back on the turner and then let it run for about 20 minutes or so, I believe is what she said. So here we go. Make sure you guys can see that. Okay, so we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay guys, we're back. It's 20 minutes later. We got really cool swirl designs. It looks pretty darn awesome. So I really hope my friend Linda likes this. I think it's pretty cool. Definitely check out Miss Kiss Creations. I'll put the link in the description, as I said earlier, plus all materials will be in the description. Show her some love, subscribe to her channel. She does a lot of really cool Tumbler videos. I just found her channel recently through my friend Linda, who sent me the link because she wanted this cup. So I'm subscribed. So check her out. And I'm going to leave this on here for at least 6 hours is what she says. And then let it dry fully and we should be good to go. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I will see you all next time.